Imagine a world where traffic jams were a thing of the past, and the sky was the new highway. Welcome to China, where the future of transportation is already taken flight. Literally. China's revolutionizing the way we move. Buckle up, because today we're diving into cutting-edge tech that's turning science fiction into reality. Watch this video and find out.
Buckle up. The future of getting around is here. Remember when flying cars were just a pipe dream? Those wild, imaginative concepts that seemed straight out of a sci-fi movie? Well, the future has a way of catching up with our dreams. Well, wake up, people. The future of transportation is here, and it's faster, sleeker, and more mind-blowing than ever before. We're talking about innovations that are not just on the drawing board, but are hitting the streets and skies. We're talking about electric cars that can swim, trains that fly, and drones that want to be your personal taxi. These aren't just concepts, they're becoming a reality, transforming how we think about getting from one place to another. Gone are the days of boring buses and crowded, cramped subway cars. The transportation landscape is evolving, and it's leaving behind the inefficiencies and discomforts of the past. The transportation revolution is in full swing, and it's about time we strap ourselves in for the ride of our lives. Imagine boarding a high-speed train that whisks you across the country in mere hours. Forget about horses and carts. Even the internal combustion engine is on its last legs. The age of fossil fuels is giving way to a new era of clean, efficient energy. We're entering a brave new world of high-tech transportation, where innovation is the name of the game. From electric vehicles to hyperloops, the possibilities are endless. China, in particular, is leading the charge with some seriously impressive advancements. Their commitment to revolutionizing transportation is evident in their rapid development and deployment of cutting-edge technologies. From electric supercars to futuristic mass transit systems, the Chinese are on a mission to redefine how we move. Their innovations are setting new standards for the rest of the world to follow. And it's not just about getting from A to B anymore. It's about the experience, the efficiency, and the sustainability of our journeys. These innovations are all about efficiency, sustainability, and dare I say it, excitement. Imagine zipping through the city in a sleek, silent, electric vehicle or boarding a train that feels more like a luxury hotel. Imagine a world without traffic jams, pollution, or the soul-crushing monotony of the daily commute. A world where transportation is seamless, green, and stress-free. That's the future that transportation technology is hurtling towards, and frankly, it's about time. We're on the brink of a new era, and it's going to change everything. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the world of China's futuristic transport. Prepare to be amazed by the innovations that are not just concepts, but are becoming a part of everyday life. Get ready to have your mind blown. The future of transportation is not just coming, it's already here, and it's more incredible than we ever imagined. First up, we've got the BYD Yangwang U8, a car so ridiculously cool, it makes James Bond's Aston Martin look like a child's toy. This isn't just any ordinary vehicle. It's a marvel of modern engineering and design, crafted to turn heads and drop jaws wherever it goes. This all-electric SUV is not just a pretty face, it's got more tricks up its sleeve than a magician at a children's party. From its sleek exterior to its state-of-the-art interior, the Yangwang U8 is designed to impress. The cabin is a tech lover's dream with cutting-edge features that make every drive an experience. And the best part? This bad boy can swim. Yes, you heard that right. The Yangwang U8 is built to handle floodwater, making it the ultimate vehicle for those unexpected weather challenges. You heard me right. The Yangwang U8 can float in water up to 1 meter deep for the base model, and a whopping 1.5 meters for the off-road variant. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your car can handle even the most severe floods without breaking a sweat. So next time you're caught in a flash flood, you can just laugh in the face of Mother Nature and sail on by. No more worrying about getting stranded or damaging your vehicle in heavy rain or rising waters. It's like having your own personal amphibious assault vehicle without the military-grade weaponry. But wait, there's more. The Yangwang U8 isn't just about surviving floods, it's about thriving in them. This car doesn't just float, it can also do a tank turn. That's right, it can rotate a full 360 degrees in place, making parallel parking a doddle. No more three-point turns or awkward maneuvering. Imagine the look on your neighbor's face when you effortlessly spin your car around in a space the size of a postage stamp. It's the kind of feature that makes you the talk of the town. They'll be green with envy. And who can blame them? The Yangwang U8 is a game changer in every sense of the word. And did I mention it's electric? This thing runs on pure electricity, so you can kiss those gas stations goodbye. No more stopping for fuel, just plug in and go. It's not just about convenience, it's about making a statement. You're driving the future. It's got a range that would make a Tesla blush and enough power to tow a small planet. Whether you're going on a long road trip or just running errands around town, the Yangwang U8 has got you covered. Get ready for your dream car. You can have a car that can swim, spin, and save the planet. It's not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. What are you waiting for? The future of driving is here, and it's called the BYD Yangwang U8. Get yours today and join the revolution. Skytrain, soaring above traffic jams. Next on our whirlwind tour of China's transportation utopia, we have the Skytrain. Now forget everything you thought you knew about trains, because this ain't your granddaddy's choo-choo. This, my friends, is a train that flies. Yes, you read that right, it flies. Imagine this, you're stuck in traffic, late for work, when suddenly you look up and see a train gliding silently overhead. No tracks, no noise, just a sleek, futuristic train effortlessly soaring through the air. That's the Skytrain, and it's about to revolutionize public transportation. This marvel of engineering is already up and running in Wuhan, China, whisking passengers along its 10.5 kilometer route. And get this, it was built in just 7 months. That's faster than it takes some people to build a garden shed. The Skytrain is not just efficient, it's also incredibly safe, with fewer accidents than traditional rail systems. But the best part? It's not even that expensive. The cost of building and operating the Skytrain is comparable to traditional rail lines, meaning that this futuristic mode of transportation could be coming to a city near you very soon. EHang 216, your personal drone taxi awaits. Hold on to your hats, folks, because our next stop on this high-tech transportation journey is going to blow your mind. Imagine a world where the sky is no longer the limit, but your new highway. Say hello to the EHang 216, the drone that wants to be your personal taxi. This isn't just a concept, it's a revolution in how we think about getting from point A to point B. That's right, forget about hailing a cab or calling an Uber. The future of urban transportation is here, and it's coming for you in a blaze of electric glory. Imagine zipping through the air, bypassing all the traffic below. This two-passenger electric drone is like something straight out of a science fiction film. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, it feels like the future has arrived ahead of schedule. It takes off and lands vertically, making it perfect for navigating crowded cityscapes. There will be no more worries about looking for a parking spot or even stuck in traffic jams. It's also completely autonomous, so you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the view while the EHang 216 whisks you away to your destination. Imagine the convenience of a ride that requires no driver, just pure, uninterrupted travel. But what about safety, I hear you ask? It's a valid concern, especially when you're soaring above the city. Well, the EHang 216 has that covered too. It's designed with multiple safety features to ensure a secure flight every time. It's got 8 pairs of rotors, so even if one fails, it can still land safely. This redundancy is key to its reliability and peace of mind for passengers. It's also got a maximum operating ceiling of 3,000 meters, so you can wave goodbye to traffic jams and hello to the open sky. Imagine the freedom of flying high above the hustle and bustle of the city. The EHang 216 is still in its early stages, but it's already clear that this is a game changer. The potential for transforming urban mobility is enormous. Imagine a world where you can summon a drone taxi with the tap of an app and soar above the traffic in minutes. The convenience and efficiency are unparalleled. It's enough to make you want to ditch your car and take to the skies permanently. The future of transportation is here, and it's looking incredibly exciting.
Well, hey, China is definitely redefining the way we travel, and it's simply amazing. Hey, do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. And let me know what future transportation that's currently in place in China or what's coming soon blows your mind. And remember, the future just isn't coming. It's already here in China. Everybody be good, be safe. See you in the next one.